Good morning, everyone. Today is the day I wash all my toppers. That's right. Look at all my toppers. See, there's some ombre ones, my silk base over here. Over here, I have that's my UniWig. Oh boy, I got some Charlies over here, and I got my curly Charlie over here. This was supposed to be a giveaway, but the person never claimed it, but I'm going to clean it anyway because it's been in the box. There's my no track frontal. This is my collection. I had more, and I gave them away, but this is my collection, and I'm going to wash them right now. You want to make sure that every single topper, every clip on the toppers are closed. Make sure nothing's open, because when you wash them, the hair will get entangled in the clips and it can mat up really bad. So yeah. These are my babies right here. Let's go. Okay, so you want to fill your sink, basin. If you have a big bucket, you can do that. What I like to do is take a little shampoo. We're not going to put the shampoo directly on the toppers. So that's all we want to do. Okay. Don't have to be super sudsy. It's nice and gentle. Yeah. I'll be right back. Okay, so that's all you really need. You don't need to fill it up all the way. And I'm not putting all 11 toppers in here. I am doing 4, 3 at a time, whatever. Okay, I just want to lay them nice and gently, just like that. Okay, and how you're going to wash these, you're just going to simply, nice and gently, just simply immerse in the water, and that's it. This is what you're doing. It's like a gentle cycle for your hair. That's all. Want to make sure they don't get tangled up with the other ones. You can take one at a time. Like this. I'm sorry for the noise of After this, you're just going to rinse it off really, really well with fresh water. Okay, so now you're going to take your conditioner, you're going to condition it really, really well. Make sure it's nice and moisturized all over. Make sure you get everywhere. You're going to do all your pieces. Yep. Rub it in nice and gently. That's it. Make sure you get even where the part is. Okay, now you're going to rinse it out. Make sure it's lukewarm water. You don't want to do anything too hot. You don't want to damage it. So you're just going to rinse it out. Make sure all the conditioner is rinsed out. That's it. You're going to squeeze out the excess too when you're done. Okay, so now this is the second batch. So this is my no track frontal. So I'm washing it. Actually, I'm conditioning it right now. We skipped over a few parts. And so I'm just going to condition it all. And this is everything done on the table. I got the knots out. And look how beautiful they look. Right? My curly top is right there. Make sure that they're all parted the way that you want to so they dry that way. Look how beautiful. Love it. I put product in my curly topper just to give it a little more curl. And yeah, so that's it. I'm just going to let this air dry, and then you'll see what it looks like at the end. And here is the end result. Nice, dry, beautiful toppers, ready to be worn. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Look how beautiful that is. Look at those curls. Wow. Nice. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next.